Welcome to the MasterCAM course. As you remember that we are creating our face toolpath, contour toolpath, and pocket toolpath, and all of them is 2D toolpath. And after that, let me create my stock setup. I'm gonna hit that button, and then we can turn to the stock setup. And then we can prefer to use the rectangular options. And then we can turn to here, actually. And then we're gonna see that bounding box options is active right now. And after that, we can prefer to use manual selection. And then we can easily select our model. We can hit that button, and then we can select our solid model. And then we can hit the end selection. Of course, before that, you need to be careful about, you need to turn to the 3D. Okay, so let me click OK button, and then another OK button to see our stock setup. And then after that, we can turn to the backlog simulation. Here, this is my backlog simulation. And this is the actually solid verification. I can hit that button. It is ready right now. And then we just need to hit that button to see our toolpath. Okay. And end of that's for operation. We're gonna see that's kind of solution. Okay, maybe we should also turn to the 2D contour toolpath, and we can consider that linking parameters 0 to -96. We can turn to our tool, and we can use the edit tool options, and we can make them 120 and 100 as a cutting area. And then hit OK button, and then we can use the update my tool, and then all the toolpath is gonna recalculate it again. Okay, everything seems fine right now. Okay, let me save my file. Okay, so that's all about solid and stock setup.